Do you cringe at the sound of high-pitched squealing when you hit the brakes? It's not just an annoying noise, it could be a sign of something more serious. Buckle up as we dive into the world of high-pitched brake squealing and uncover what you need to know to keep your vehicle, and your nerves, intact. Picture this. You're cruising down the road, enjoying the drive, when suddenly, you press on the brakes, and screech. That dreaded high-pitched squeal pierces the air. Your heart skips a beat, and you wonder, what's going on with my brakes? Fear not, for we're here to demystify the phenomenon of high-pitched brake squealing. From the causes behind this nerve-wracking noise to the solutions that can save the day, let's explore it all. Understanding high-pitched brake squealing. So, what causes that ear-piercing sound when you brake? High-pitched brake squealing typically occurs due to the vibrations produced when the brake pads press against the rotor. These vibrations, often intensified by various factors, manifest as the familiar squeal. Common causes. Worn brake pads. As brake pads wear down, their friction material diminishes, exposing metal components that can scrape against the rotor, resulting in squealing. Glazed brake pads. Excessive heat can cause brake pads to become glazed, reducing their effectiveness and producing squealing noises. Rotor issues. Warped or unevenly worn rotors can lead to irregular contact with the brake pads, causing vibrations and squealing. Dirt and debris. Accumulated dirt, dust, or debris between the brake pads and rotor can create friction, leading to squealing. Moisture. In humid or rainy conditions, moisture buildup on the brake pads and rotor can exacerbate squealing. Effects of high-pitched brake squealing. Beyond being an annoyance, ignoring brake squealing can have serious consequences. It could indicate significant wear on brake components, compromising your vehicle's braking efficiency and safety. Ignoring the issue may lead to more extensive and expensive repairs down the road. Solution. Now, let's address the burning question. How can you silence those squealing brakes and ensure your vehicle's safety? Inspect and replace brake pads. Regularly check your brake pads for wear and tear. If they're worn down, replace them promptly to prevent further damage. Rotor resurfacing or replacement. Address any rotor issues by resurfacing or replacing them as needed to ensure smooth contact with the brake pads. Brake lubrication. Properly lubricate brake components to reduce friction and minimize squealing. Cleaning. Keep brake components clean and free of dirt and debris to prevent unnecessary friction and noise. Professional inspection. If you're unsure about the source of the squealing or how to remedy it, seek the expertise of a qualified mechanic for a thorough inspection and necessary repairs. Now that you're armed with knowledge about high-pitched brake squealing, it's time to take action. Don't let squealing brakes compromise your safety or peace of mind. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on vehicle maintenance and safety. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this information. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Together, let's keep the roads safe and serene for all drivers. Remember, a little attention to your brakes today can prevent a lot of headaches tomorrow. Stay safe and happy driving.